Wow, check out this view. Nature in my own backyard. I don't come down this way very often. I used to, but I can travel hundreds of miles looking for a spot like this. And here it is right in my own backyard. I'm going to give you a better view. I'll get a little bit closer. At least I'm going to try. Anyways, this is the Grand River here in the Waterloo region. I'm in the Cambridge section of Waterloo region, Preston area to be exact. Look at this. We have beautiful nature right in our own backyard, and most people don't even take advantage of it. I'm going to walk around and show you a little bit more of this beautiful countryside. Mighty Grand River here in Cambridge, Ontario. Now I'm just going to come up here and give you a little bit of history of the area. This is called the Cambridge River Bank System. We're in the Leaner Park here in the Preston area of Cambridge. There you can see that better. It says here the Grand River drainage area over 6,965 feet. Sorry, square kilometers in size, not feet. It's the largest drainage system in southern Ontario. The river has a vertical fall of 352 meters and extends over 290 kilometers from its source at Dundalk, I think that's how you pronounce it, to its mouth at Port Maitland, Lake Erie. In 1990, the Grand River was nominated as a Canadian Heritage River in recognition of its human heritage, impact on settlement, and unique natural area. We have a boat ramp, bicycle trails, camping, well, not in this area, fishing, canoeing, hiking trails, etc. Let's just go over here and get a little bit more history of this area. Let's just reduce this a little bit so you can read it better. The Grand and Speed Rivers at the confluence. At place and time. You are looking at a panoramic like no other in Cambridge or the region of Waterloo. The dreams of Mennonites and Mohawks, Germans, Scots, Coalsaland, whatever that word is, where the speed meets the grand. In English blood, my ancestry is Canadian. Anyways, it's got a lot of history. Now, I'm born and raised in this area, and I'm 69 years old. I used to come down here quite often to do my walks, which I'm going to start doing more often again. Anyways, I'll take you along the river and show you what it's all about. Stay tuned. There are plenty of turtles in this area. What we have here is a turtle's nest site. We do protect our turtles. Anyways, here's another view of the river. Now there's a line here where it's all natural, and they're not allowed to trim the trees any further than right along there. As they do have city workers coming here and cutting the grass and etc. etc. Let's see if we can get a little bit closer to the river. I just want to take another shot of this beautiful panoramic view. I'll make it larger so you can get a better idea of it. Actually, this is where the Speed and the Grand meet. What you see in the distance way back there is the Grand River. And then when you go over here, make that smaller. This is the Speed River coming from over there. So this is where they meet, here in the Cambridge area. Now, when I said beauty in our own backyard, I wasn't kidding. I'm going to turn around and show you what I mean. Right behind me, we have a couple of schools over there, the high school and St. Joseph's, I believe. And then we have people living right here. So they can literally walk out their backyard. There's my little van over there. And come enjoy this beauty. Right in their own backyard. Not quite in my backyard, but I'm not far from here. Anyways, let's see if we can get down closer to that river. Give you a better view. There's just another open spot that I've come across as I'm walking the trail. There's another angle of what I was just showing you a few minutes ago. This is probably even a better view. Looks like there's quite a few birds out there in the water. Sunbathing, or not a lot of sun right now, but doing whatever they're doing. Let's continue on. Just walking down the trail here, which is right beside the river. And they have a lot of benches which are dedicated to certain people. I guess they passed away, or so they've put them in place just for memory purposes. So anyways, I'm walking down this pathway. You'll see a lot of people walking here. Sometimes on bikes also. Anyways, there should be a path just up here taking us down to the river. Now I'm coming up to a path here. I'm not sure if I'm going to take it or not. I'll have a look. I think it's kind of steep. I have taken it before, but I'm a little bit older now. So anyways, let's check it out. Gotta watch my footing, that's all. Getting right down to the riverbank. There's the river right there. A lot of rocks along this path. Hopefully the mosquitoes aren't too bad yet. It's only early afternoon. I have fished on these shores many times, but fishing is not like it used to be when I was a kid, that's for sure. Anyways, here's another spot. Give you a better idea of the river. I'll just enlarge it a little bit, bring it in closer. I should try fishing again. It's been a couple of years since I fished in the Grand River. Kind of gave up on it. See a little bit of wildlife right there. I don't know if you can see them. I believe they're just ducks and some geese on the other side over there. Okay, let's continue on. Better show you who I am, just in case you don't know. It's Papa Frank here. continue on down the path. Not going to go too much further though. Don't want to stray too far from my car. Or my van, I should say. We'll go a little bit further up and see what we can see. Thanks for joining me. If you're ever in Ontario and then the Waterloo region, make sure you check out the Grand River. I'm in the Preston section right now in Lanier Park, I believe it's called. Great spot to go for a stroll along the riverbank. You don't get too many people down here. Anyways, I'll turn you back on the water. As you can see, there's a few islands. Oh, there goes the seagull. I'll be fishing for little fish. I believe that's an island right there. Hopefully you can see it okay. Probably too much. Anyways, we'll go a little bit further and then I'm going to turn around. Now on the other side of the river, is a little village called Blair. Not very big. Used to have a bar in there, a little tavern called Nicholson's Tavern. That was a great place to go to back in the day. The building's still there, but it's not a pub anymore. Actually, there's very few pubs left in Cambridge anymore. They've all gone by the wayside. Anyway, this is about as far as I'm going to go, and I'm going to turn around now. So, hope you're enjoying this video. Like I said earlier, I've traveled hundreds of miles to find spots like this. And here it is, right in my own backyard. Sometimes forget what you have in your own backyard. So get out there and check out your own backyard. You may be surprised what you'll find. If you're a nature lover like I am, an outdoors guy, get out there, get some exercise, soak up some vitamin D. Anyways, I'll leave you with one more view of the river and then I'll sign off. Until next time, thanks for watching. Papa Frank. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Hope you can see me okay. Because I can't see myself when I'm holding the camera. Anyways, let's expand it. And one more time. Thanks again. See you on my next video, which won't be too long from now. Heading out next week. Heading north. Maybe up by Algonquin, maybe not. We'll see. See you soon. Bye.